Mercer, tornado warning. Fuck. Oh shit.
Tuesday, mostly sunny.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Mercer and Van Engel. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for East Central Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Van Engel County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles north of Grove City, or just south of Jackson Center, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clintonville, Jackson Center, and Barkerville.
Oh god.
The forecast.